Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done my last favorite video. I was behind my schedule, to be honest, but now I have some products that I want to share with you that I've been really loving for the past couple of months. So I think I'm going to title this video either my current favorite or my April-May favorite. Oh my god, the time is flying so fast. I even cannot believe that we are almost reaching the half of 2021. I don't have so many products to share with you. I wanted to keep it short and neat. And actually the first part of this video, it's done in collaboration with the company called Lilysilk. They have reached out to me a while ago and they have asked me if I'm interested to try some of their products and share with you on my channel my honest opinion. So I'm not paid to share my thoughts, but they did send me for free the product that I'm going to show you on this video. First, I want to give you some brief introduction about Lilysilk company. So they are silk manufacturing company and they are on the market from over 11 years. Lilysilk uses 100% natural premium materials like mulberry silk, which is the queen of the fibers, and Mongolian cashmere, which is soft gold. They have a impressive website and they retail a lot of styles and designs of shirts. They have silk pillowcases, which we know that they are good for face and for hair. They have accessories, they have beddings. So I will link down below their website, and they were enough kind to send me a special discount for you guys, which it will offer you 15% off their website. So the code is JBB15. I will put it somewhere here on the screen, but you will be able to find everything that I'm going to show you listed and linked down below on my description box. The first product that I want to share with you is actually what I'm wearing on my top today. So this is the basic cap sleeveless silk tee. I'm going to do a close-up. I never had a silk blouse or tee, and I thought this one is really appropriate for the summer because it's really lightweight and I feel like I'm not wearing anything. So on the hot summer months when everyone will sweat, I will be really happy because this is really light and I feel that breathing. I got the size S and I feel that it's okay for me. And yeah, I always prefer to take a size that might be a bit up than to get a size down and then I will not be able to wear it. So I'm really loving this tee and I'm in love with the color, and it's working perfectly with light color pants or even with skirts. I'm wearing it today with those white pants, and yeah, I think it will make a really nice statement for this summer. Even if you're going for a party or for office, it's really appropriate for office or for other nice events that might occur during this summer. This is a casual silk tee featuring a round neck and cap sleeveless, providing nothing more than a simple and classic look, basic, easy and timeless, to fit into your everyday life while providing a superior, comfortable experience even when you are not noticing. It benefits your skin and absorbs extra sweat to keep you cool and dry, which makes a perfect choice for summer. Next product that I picked up and I wanted to share with you is this hair scrunchie, silk hair scrunchie. I always wanted to have some of these because they are really good for your hair, and I even love the baby pink shade that I've picked up. So I will turn just to show you. I think I'm going to order more of these because I really love the way they feel and they don't tag your hair. I really feel that my hair is grabbed perfectly, but I don't feel any tension. I'm bad at this chapter because I use some elastic scrunchies to begin with. Ladies, go for the silk scrunchies. They are much better. They don't leave marks on your hair and they don't pull, they don't tag. Your hair will not suffer from that experience. And the last product that I wanted to share with you, that I also picked up from their website, and you might recall from my previous videos that I'm really into this kind of product, is the silk pillowcase. This is the actual beautiful packaging, so everything came packed in this kind of individual boxes, and I'm going to keep them because they are really beautiful. Even the paper has the Lilysilk monograms. Look at this color, guys. Isn't the most beautiful, beautiful color for a pillow? So I got this size, let me check. I got the queen size. So the queen size, it is 20 or 30 inches because my pillow is a bit larger. And here you have the actual monogram. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to show you how it looks on her beautiful packaging. This is the 19 Mo pillowcase, and it's perfect choice to enter the world of silk. This pillowcase is the ultimate as well as the easiest way to turn your everyday sleep into a rejuvenating journey of comfort. I'm all about anti-aging and doing whatever it can be to help me age gracefully. So yeah, this silk pillowcase is good for not have wrinkles on your face, and also it's helping with your hair to not get tangly if you have long hair, or if your hair is tangle prone. For sure this is helping. So I'm really excited for those products. Thank you again, Lilysilk, for collaborating with me on the first part of this video. Next, I have only a few products that I want to share with you. Not that I don't have other products that I've been loving through those past months, but I wanted to keep it short. So I have a eyeshadow palette which I was actually forced to use it because it's my daughter's favorite eyeshadow palette. Somehow she pulled out from the entire collection that I have this Winky Luxe Kitten palette, and you are wondering why. Because it is pink and has a lot of kittens, and because she put it on my vanity table to have it there at her convenience. When I was reaching for my makeup and I was on the go, I was not to dig to my collection, so I started to use this palette. You can tell that it's dirty. I've tried to clean it, but it looks like those shades are stained because this is cardboard and it's not coming out so easily. However, what is important is what is it inside. So the mattes are nice. I actually believe that they are not such a spectacular, they are regular, but what I so much love about the quality of this palette are the actual shimmery, silky shades. So speaking about silk, those shadows, they are the most soft, buttery. You don't need any help to place them on your eyes. You can do with your finger, you can use a brush. You don't need to dampen your brush. They are really soft and they are grabbing, they don't have fallout, so they are perfect. I love them so much. Thanks to my daughter, I rediscovered a palette that it was sitting and sleeping in my collection and it was not getting so much love. I think this might be discontinued, I'm not sure, but they have other palettes, so I'm going to try and get other palettes to see if they have the same amazing formula on their shadows. For my face, I've been trying actually to use as much as possible from my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit. This is the volume 4 that was released 2 years ago. I bought it like 2 years ago. And you have those beautiful light shimmery shades. You have finishing powders and strobing powders and their special formula for blush and bronzer that show that lit from within. And recently, not recently, like a month ago, I was finally opening my new ambient lighting. This is the sculpture edit that they released in the 2020 collection, holiday collection, and they are slightly similar, but they are also different. I find this is more warm in tone and has more pigment. So I'm using them both equally. I almost don't grab for other bronzer brush because I have everything in one single palette. And yeah, please let me know if you are interested me to do a comparison, even though I think it's useless to compare some palette that you cannot get anymore. Maybe you can find it on some eBay or some other outlet. So yeah, if you are interested me to do a review of those palettes or a comparison of those palettes, it will be interesting for me to do it. And speaking about eyeshadow and about face palettes, I so much enjoyed and used the crap or the hell out of my Rephr brushes. I only have 5, but they are coming or they are restocking their brushes in May. I contacted them a while ago and asked them when they are planning to restock their eye sets and face sets, because they had another sale on March, but I was not fast enough. I wanted to place an order and it was late in the evening. I said, okay, tomorrow morning I will do it, and by the next day it was already sold out. So I contacted them the next week, the week after, and I asked them when they will bring back in stock. So hopefully now I will be more fast in reaction and I will purchase more brushes because I really love them. So my eye brushes are clean. So I have the brush number 15, which is hands down my favorite blending brush. It's perfect, and she replaced my love for the Zoeva 228. I also have the number 16, which is a tad more larger, and the number 12, which is your more precise blending brush. I prefer to use this on the outer corner and also on my lower lash. I can even pinch it to get more precision. They are amazing quality, they wash perfectly. Natural fiber brushes, they are not recommending to wash them so often, so I have a spray that I clean my brushes between washes, so I don't wash them as often as I'm washing my regular synthetic brushes. And by the way, Rephr, they have a amazing discount for their concept store, so if you want to check, I will link their store down below. I'm not getting any commission, they are just for you as reference. And yeah, as I told you, I'm looking forward to grab more sets of their brushes. Fantastic Japanese natural hair brushes, and they are not breaking your bank. And I also have 2 face brushes. This is, as you can see, this is my everyday go-to face brush, and I use it one side I apply the blush and with one side I apply the bronzer, so you can tell the actual difference. And she needs to take a bath, to be honest. This is the brush number 5, and this is the number 04. It's more angled and it's perfect if you want to sculpt your cheekbones. Is perfect, but it's also working for breasts. So love them, they are my babies. When I purchased them, I told you my journey. I wanted to purchase some Sonia G brushes from Beautylish, but when I see the price I was like, oh my god, no. So I was doing some researches about Japanese brushes and I found out the Rephr website. I think I've heard about those before, but I was not paying attention. I thought they have the same high price tag like they have on Sonia G and even Wayne Gas brushes. So they are shipping in Europe and you don't pay extra taxes or VAT because they have a warehouse in Austria, which is inside of European Union, so you don't pay any VAT or taxes, and the shipping is really fast within Europe. And of course they ship worldwide, they ship to US and the rest of the world. two more products I want to share with you for this video. Another rediscovery of mine is the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturiser with SPF 30. And I'm all about SPF, and I'm going to have a upcoming video only about SPF products. So I was purchasing this product in the end of, in the end of summer of 2020. And why I did not grab so much for it is because at that time I was trying some other products. I remember even doing some reviews. And my tan, which was not so strong during the summer, has faded. This is my summer shade. It's a bit more dark for me, but it's forgiving. So if you are blending it, it will not show the actual difference. So I could wear it throughout spring, and I've even applied some self tanner to be able to wear it. But you can even wear it like this, and you can blend it toward your neck to not see any difference. This, guys, it gives you a silk canvas, I kid you not, and it lasts all day. I don't need to touch up my foundation, my face. It looks perfect from the moment I've applied until the end of the day. So really fantastic product. I'm not wearing it today because today I'm testing this True Skin powder by Catrice, and I'm wearing a really bad foundation just to see if the powder will actually help keeping the oil on base. So yeah, this is the actual disclaimer. I have mine in the shade Alaska, and you do get a generous size. You get 50 ml of product. The last product that I want to share with you is this lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury that I actually also rediscovered in my collection. I'm happy when I rediscover products that I bought several months or so ago and I did not give them proper love. So first of all, look at the beautiful, beautiful packaging. I love this kind of packaging. This is from the Hot Lips collection, and I have mine in the shade In Love with Olivia. Again, I'm not wearing it today, but I've worn it throughout several videos of mine, and it's that perfect peachy nude shade that it works so well with my skin tone. I'm not sure exactly why I did not like it when I purchased it, and maybe because I was pairing it with another lip liner that I got from Charlotte, which was not matching it so nice, but I'm pairing this with a more nudish lip liner. The one from Gerard Cosmetics, for example, my favorite, all-time favorite lip liner, it's working perfectly with this lip shade, and it's so moisturizing. You know that I love her Matte Revolution formula, but this is another level of moisturizing, and it lasts a long time on your lips. Do I find that you have to pay that much money to get a super expensive fancy lipstick? I think you can find a better alternatives for this, but I think the formula might be slightly different. I'm enjoying much this kind of formula than the one that I have found as dupe for this, and this by MAC, which is actually not that cheap, but it's a alternative option. If you want to check some dupes of my favorite high-end products, and especially for Charlotte Tilbury, I highly recommend you to check my dupes video. So I will have all the informations and the products that I've been referring down below on my description box. And other than that, I hope you enjoy this video. I want to thank again Lilysilk for reaching out to me and for sending me those wonderful products that I'm going to use them throughout this summer, the blouse, but the other products are seasonless, to say like this. And yeah, I really enjoyed putting those products together and share my favorite products with you guys. Please let me know what were your favorite products that you are loving recently. If there are some products that I need to check in, I will really love to hear that from you. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye guys!
Okay.